Coming up this weekend, we have a chance for all types of precipitation across Oklahoma. A cold rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. That's what makes the forecast very complicated. So I'm going to break down how these different types of precipitation form, how we just end up with rain, because that happens, and we'll see just rain for parts of this event. Coming up, we have a very, very low cloud deck. That cloud deck is so cold that we actually have snow falling. This is the case most of the time in the winter anyway. The reason why we get rain at the surface is because we have warm air filtering in below that all the way down to the ground. That causes that snow to quickly melt and it falls as liquid. That's a cold rain. It gets more complicated when you have a couple of layers of cold air, one being at the cloud deck, below freezing, and the snow is falling. You have another layer of very cold air at the surface. You get the snow falling, it melts, it freezes on contact with trees, power lines, your sidewalk. That's freezing rain. Sleet is when that colder layer is just a little bit deeper. So now the snow falls, it melts, it refreezes in the mid-levels, and it falls as sleet because it's frozen for much longer, okay? It causes it to turn into ice pellets. Snow, when we get snow, it's when it starts to snow, the cold air is deep enough up to the cloud deck that it never melts. It falls as snow all the way down to the surface. No melting occurs. We have a lot of snow headed for parts of Oklahoma coming up on Saturday.